Dr. Bug. Achoo! Oh, excuse me, I'm outside and with the lack of rain, it has been so dusty. I've got a question for you. If we're sneezing in the dust and pollen, does an insect sneeze too? What do you think? Yes? No? Well, if you answered no, you are correct. The answer is no. Insects do not sneeze. To sneeze, animals need a breathing system like we have, a nose breathing into our lungs. When we sneeze, our lungs are compressed by muscles in our chest and abs, which produce that noisy blast of air outside of our mouth. Insects breathe through tiny holes in their abdomens called spiracles rather than their mouths, and insects don't have lungs, so sneezing is not something that insects are able to do. And I think that's a good thing. Think of all of the pollinating insects that love the pollen dust. Patrick is here helping me clean up my garden. So Patrick, what was your guess? Did you think that insects sneeze?
I would have said yes. But what I really want to know, do bugs fart?
Okay, I can answer that. Yes, as a matter of fact, some insects can be prolific tooters. Termites are well known to be quite the farters, so gaseous that they contribute over 12 million tons of methane each year. They're not as flatulent as like the cows, but they still are a significant contributor to greenhouse gases. Cockroaches are another insect with a lot of gas. Roaches and termites eat a high-fiber diet, and like humans, they have microbes in their gut that digest the food they eat. That digestion produces the methane gas, and that gas has to get out of your gut somehow and somewhere. In an insect, some of the gas may be released through their spiracles, but yes, insects release that gas through the insect's anus. There's another insect that takes farting to a whole new level by using their gas to disable their prey. That sure gives a whole new meaning to the words silent but deadly. That insect is a beaded lacewing, and she lays her eggs by the termite nest, so after hatching, the larvae move right on in with the termites. Now, termites typically overcome nest invaders, but when this lacewing baby takes up residence and lets it rip, the termites are stunned and unable to move. This allows the tiny lacewing to roam freely and consume termites at will. It isn't clear if this lacewing has a true fart, a gassy byproduct of digestion, or is actually a chemical weapon. And speaking of chemical weapons, while technically not a fart, we are going to look at the expert at releasing deadly gas, the Bombardier Beetle. These beetles actually contain two chambers within their abdomen that hold two chemicals, hydrogen peroxide and hydroquinones. If threatened, the bombardiers will release a catalyst to combine these two chemicals within their body in a super hot, foul-tasting spray that they can point and shoot. Their enemies do not stand a chance against that poisonous gas. So there you have it. Super interesting facts that you can share with your family and friends. Do insects sneeze? No. But do they fart? They sure do. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel, ring that bell, and until next month, see you in the garden. Ask Dr. Bug originates from the Kids Ask Dr. Bug column, written by Dr. Tamra Reall, horticultural specialist with the University of Missouri Extension. Her column can be found in garden publications, newsletters, and extension websites. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send them to reallT@missouri.edu. Put Ask Dr. Bug in the subject and include your name and age. Or ask your questions online at the address listed here.